What is up, guys? Okay, so the plan for today is to finish putting some white down in the engine bay, getting it look as pristine as I can, and then put the brake booster, the steering rack in and stuff like that, and then try and get it on the ground. Like, let's try and get it off the jack stands because the engine is going really well, and hopefully, if I can figure out the intake situation, I can get it done and running maybe within a week. So that'll be really cool because I really want this thing to run. Like, I miss hearing it, driving it, all that stuff. So yeah, we're gonna start painting that engine bay. It needs to get done. So I'm so happy with the finished product. Like, look at this. Look how white that engine bay is. Like, oh my god, I'm so happy with that. That's freaking awesome. I am absolutely so happy with that. It looks so good. I'm not gonna clear coat it just because, like, if stuff gets dirty or stuff gets scratched or whatever, and I just want to paint it, I'll just take some little, spray paint, just paint over it, and it'll look good as new. But oh, I'm so happy with that. And when the engine's in it and the block is like the bright blue of my roll cage, it's just gonna pop. It's gonna be like, oh, it's gonna look good. So I'm gonna give it a little bit to sit and dry, and then I'm gonna put the steering rack in and the brake booster. Alright, we're back. So the paint is still tacky. So we can't put the steering rack and brake booster back in and stuff. So we're gonna head over to Ryan's and start putting the heads back together so we can get the engine back. So I'll see you guys. Well, I guess I won't see you guys right now. I'll see you guys at Ryan's. Alright, so we're at the Plan D workshop, and Ryan's gonna show me how to put together heads and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get it done because this car needs to run really soon. Okay, so the heads are all done. Look at those springs. Look how freaking ball it. Oh, you can't. Looks pretty gangster. Oh, there you go. Look at those springs. Bam. Bam, fancy stuff right there.
It's G'd up.
Look at him shaking his thing over the sink. So now we're gonna put the heads on the motor and probably call it a day.
The motor, really? Bro?
Motor.
It's an engine.
It's a V8 motor.
It's an engine.
Listen, none of that.
Come on, buddy, you learn anything? You're gonna have to smack you around a little bit.
This is how you staple staples in the Plan D garage.
Look at that.
There we go.
Nice. Professional. You take this.
Keeping it practical.
We're in decking here. Look at that.
You just gotta deck him in the head.
Check them out!
What do you gotta do? You gotta deck him in the head.
Deck him in the head, man.
Deck him in the head.
You not anything. Are you feeling it now, Mr. Krabs?
Okay, so we got the head gasket on, got the heads on, and now we just torque.
We forgot head gasket on this. We only put it on one.
Oh, it's okay. It'll just, what is it? Lower the compression.
Yeah.
But, yeah, we're just torquing the heads. So she's almost there. She's almost there. Okay, heads are on, and they're all ready to go. We're gonna stop doing engine work because Ryan and Jared are going to sign up for the mission event. So, yeah, we're gonna head inside the house. Alright, so I'm back at Mikasa, and this is gonna be the end of the video. We got so much done today. We painted the engine bay. We worked on the engine. The engine's finally ready to come back here, back to the Mustang. So tomorrow, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the steering rack in, we'll put the brake booster in. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button to support the channel, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.